Today we're going to review this portable vacuum cleaner. It's called a free folding Q8 by Kikim. Anyway, here's the front of the box, and here's the back. And it tells you the voltage it uses. Looks like it takes about 4 hours to fully charge. And inside the box you'll find your vacuum, and this is a fancy looking black and gold model. Looks like here is the charging port, and then this twist to turn into almost like a hair dryer, and you hold it and you push this button to turn it on and off. Other items you get are the attachment for the vacuum. Looks like a brush attachment that attaches to the front. And this plugs into the vacuum itself. So you have this, looks like a little gun or a hair dryer. You also get an additional filter, a USB charge cord, and then the other side is AC adapter looking like plug. Over here it looks like an accessory bag to hold all your things. And this bag looks pretty nice. Let's see if it holds everything. And yes, it holds all your items, including your accessories. So let's test out this vacuum, and this is some baking soda. And let's see how well this vacuum does. And there's very little residue, so it looks like this worked pretty well. Let's see how much of the baking powder or baking soda we picked up. So it looks like it got most of it. And next, we're going to see if it picks up popcorn kernels. And it does a really good job. So overall, I would recommend getting this vacuum cleaner, portable vacuum cleaner, if you want it for a car or if you have a small space. Enjoy!